So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just curl my hair and I cut it and I curled it and I relaxed it. I did all of that and I am in awe right now because I really love my Pixie cut. Like it's bomb. Like this is bomb. Like this is like So I did all this in 45 minutes. The flat irons that I used was the Red by Kiss, the 3/10 flat iron. This is the smallest flat iron in the world. And when I tell you, Red by Kiss did they thing with these flat irons. Like the only thing that I have a problem with is that the temperature isn't adjustable. Like it gets up to 460 degrees and then it stays there. So when you do a pass to your hair, you gotta do a quick pass and keep it moving. If not, you're gonna burn your hair. Unless you moisturize your hair properly, it won't burn it. If you get ceramic plates, it doesn't burn your hair as bad as titanium plates. I have both, and I learned my lesson with the titanium and the ceramic. So normally I use the 1/2 inch, but because I cut my hair so short, I said let me use the 3/10 to see how it does with my whole head, and it did its job. Like I love it so much. The products that I use in this video, you'll see me using them throughout the video. I'll list them down in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned to watch the tutorial. Thank you.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. But I know you're good. Just wanna be your girl. All alone at night, I harbor feelings for you, holding my pillow tight. Sometimes I even get myself imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is then just a silly cry. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. But I know you good. Just wanna be your girl. mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Without you, girl, just wanna be your girl. All alone at night, I harbor feelings for you, holding my pillow tight. Sometimes I even get by myself, imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is and just your silly cries. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Without you, girl, just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Without you, girl, just wanna be your girl.
So you just finished watching my tutorial. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for supporting your girl. Like, support your girl. But yeah, it came out pretty good. Like, I love my hair. Like, I do my hair all the time, but this is like my favorite look. Like, normally I'll finger wave it and do all this jazzy stuff to it, flip it up, but I kind of went more for the look that I was going for is what I got, and I'm pretty good. Disclaimer, I am not a cosmetologist. I am in cosmetology school though. So when I get my license, I will make a vlog about me getting my cosmetology license. Be looking out for some wig tutorials. I do make wigs and I do sell them. Be looking out, maybe some makeup tutorials, maybe. Like, I will not do tutorials on how to relax your hair because I am not a cosmetologist yet, but once I do get my cosmetology license, then I will make tutorials on that. And how to cut your hair with scissors and with clippers, because I do both. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting me. Like, I really do appreciate it. And look out for the other videos and the other tutorials, and I hope you have a great day.